Founded in 1998, Sidiou Industrial Group Limited is a leading manufacturer of a wide range of knitwear and sweater. We had our sales center office in Shenzhen, China, which neighbor to Hong Kong. Our factory is located in Haifeng City, Guangdong Province, which is the largest knitwear production center in China. We have 150 experienced workers in our factory. We cover 15,000 square meters in modernized garden building. We have 25 sales specialists in handling and take care of the inquiry and orders from worldwide. For any inquiries or trade inquiries, we will provide a professional complete solution to you within 24 hours. We have the most advanced facility and technology for knitwear production, and we are specialized in producing ladies' and men's knitwear with all kinds of materials, including cashmere blend, wool, rayon, nylon, cotton, and so on. Our annual sales value is $50 million. OEM or ODM order are welcome. We have the full auto high-speed down hair machine imported from Japan. Brand Murata daily production capacity is 4,000 pounds. We have 100 set Shimaseki auto computer and homemade auto computer machine imported from Japan, operated by highly skilled workforce to ensure an accurate finish. Ensure complete reliability of manufacturing process products. In this workshop, we have 30 skillful and experienced engineers to operate and take care about this process and production. Thus, advantage knitwear machines and skillful engineers can ensure our daily production capacity reach 5,000 pieces. We constantly sample new designs, yarns, and fabrics throughout the year to keep pace with changing fashion trends and retail demands. Our experienced R&D technologists are continuously developing a wide range of innovative products and processes to delight our customers. Our strategy is to continuously improve and explore new ideas and concepts through yarn, wet finishing, and performing garments. We have 12 experienced QC men in the semi-production for checking the quality. All the production are 100% checked before moving to the next procedure. Each piece is individually quality checked at each production stage, and a final check before dispatch. Ensure each garment adheres to an exceptional high standard, meeting both yours and your customers' requirements. We will also arrange inspection after the factory inspection, where you can send QC staff to check your products. Regardless of the size of order, all our knitwear is manufactured with an emphasis on quality and design. We manufacture using the latest electronic knitting machines, giving greater speed and flexibility, enabling us to supply large and small quantities in short lead times. We have rich OEM experience and offer free samples. Novelty deems excellent services are as important as extraordinary quality. Therefore, we provide comprehensive services to our customers. Please feel free to contact us when you have any problems or when you want to know more about our products and company. We will respond to you within 24 hours. Welcome to visit Sidiou Group. We're always at your service. Your satisfaction is our goal.
Welcome to visit Sidiou Group. We are always at your